WVU, aka West Virginia University, experimental rocketry for Morgantown, West Virginia. It's flying Shenandoah Sunrise. This is a research motor. The motor designation is an O4500. As a reminder, our previous massive one was a 3400, so this one's bigger. Our total impulse is 36,226 Newton seconds, burn time of about 10 seconds. This propellant is called NASA with 2 S's, yellow. And on board, we've got a telemega and a stratologger. So here we go on pad 82 with a research O motor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That was so good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm so sorry, Kyle. Alright, this is going to be out over the range, but we are going to keep looking at these pieces coming down. That booster is not attached to anybody, but our nose is attached to our drogue and looks like our center section. That aft section's coming in hot out over the field.
Dude, you know what you should do? Oh no! You want me to repeat that?
Tell the people what you're doing.
Alright, so we're going to take my Jolly Logic here, my altimeter, that I didn't arm correctly for the Mini-Mag. I'm going to put it on the Magnum rocket. So that way we can see how high it goes. That's what I'm planning on doing. Trying to get my tracker here all put together.
Kansas, well, Shawnee, Kansas, bringing his normal level of chaos and confusion, mayhem, and magnificence to the rocket band. He's got a SL200. It's a tactical rocket. 3.5 down to H210, and it's going skyward in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. With board. And he manufactured it himself. This is a Cert 2 flight, so Colin, good luck to you. He's flying on a Gen 250 motor. That's what you need to know. So let's
Yeah, I see it. Man, it's coming in hot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, not really, I guess.
Launch. A red line motor. It has a parachute release on it. Altimeter deployed with the main at 1,000 feet or so. And we're good to go. Let's put Art's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Smoke, fire. It's going to fly, it's a 2-stage kit. It's going to fly from an F-15 to an F-15. So, has a tracker on board, and it is a 2-stage flight, so I'm not going to call a heads-up flight, but I am going to want you to watch this rocket on pad 52. Again, watch the rocket on pad 52. Because it's kind of windy, and it's a 2-stage, and these are not hard-hitting motors. So, let's put it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, good luck. There we go. That's why we're watching the rocket. That's perfect. Okay, let's hope we don't have a fire out there, hey? That's the way to do it. The rocket's also made sky. It's a high-tech kit. It weighs 30 pounds. Going to fly H100. Should go fine. It's got an altimeter on board. Let's put Sky's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. From the ground. And let's put it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see, 10 golf balls on board. Our rocket weighs right at 18 pounds. Length is 116 inches. Booster motor is an L1000, and in the sustainer we've got a Loki Research K250. Projected altitude is 23,915 feet, and that sustainer should be kicking out its main at 1,000 feet. On board, we've got some Blue Ravens, some Big Red Bees, some tracking. We're having a great time with electronics here. So let's get Purdue off pad 76 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or did we wear beanies today?
Howdy.
Cowboy hats, perfect. All right, so this is the sounding rocketry team with their rocket Intrepid. We've got 5 golf balls on board. Rocket weighs about 15.5 pounds, about 93 inches long. Booster's got a K2050 and sustainer has an L1040. Our projected altitude is 39,500 feet. Sustainer should be kicking out its main at 800. On board, we've got some Blue Ravens, a Stratologger, a Tele something, but we've got college student handwriting going on over here. Lots of fun electronics. So here goes Texas A&M off pad 78 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Her dad is the one and only Bob Brown. Just throwing that out there. This rocket is named Black Cherry. Its color, though, is pomegranate, just to keep us on our... Sorry, cranberry, wrong, reddish fruit. All right. Ignore him, Danielle. Jim Cooper, go sit down over there. Oh my God. Anyway, Danielle has her rocket Black Cherry. This is a Wildman kit weighing just shy of 50 pounds. On board, we have a CTI M1590. We've got GPS, radio tracking. The altimeter should be deploying the main at 1,000 feet. And most importantly, this is an attempt at her CERT level 3, which is why we needed Steve Klausmeyer to be paying attention. We are all so excited, and this is going to go just fine. And you're not going to need the shovel from Jim Cooper, except to maybe hit him in the back of the head with it. Yeah. All right, so since we're all watching, Coop's being nice and Coop, we're going to go off pad 81 here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Danielle, that was gorgeous. This is from College Park, Maryland. We've got a rocket named Helios. This is the University of Maryland. This is not an Argonia flight. This is just going to be stinking fun. This rocket weighs 123 pounds. Terry and I are making rude jokes up here. All right. Motor designation for this research motor is an O, as in Oscar, 7740. Our total impulse for this motor is 33,700 Newton seconds with a burn time of 4.8 seconds. This is a red propellant, and main chute should be coming out at 1,000 feet. So here we go off pad 82. Danielle's really excited and sees her rocket. But here we go off 82 with University of Maryland in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nicely done, Maryland. That was gorgeous. And Danielle's rocket is safely on the ground and doesn't need a shovel.
He's got the roll stabilizers on the fin, so this should be a really cool flight if it flies. So let's put Julian's rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. That's awesome. Boulder, Colorado, gonna fly the Mountain of Doom. Can I change the name of the rocket? Can it be the Flaming Mountain of Doom? The Flaming Mountain of Doom, it's a scratch belt rocket, weighs a little over a pound. This is a Cert 1 flight, gonna fly in an H-169 motor. Got a radio tracker on board, which is a great idea. Actually, your rocket's going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Wow. He's from Kansas City, Missouri, and it's a scratch belt rocket, weighs 5 pounds on an I-211. He's slumming it today on a little I motor. So Taylor, good luck. Let's put your rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. It's arcing over.
So much slower than the J350.
He's from Meridian, Idaho. He's going to fly a Punisher 3. He's even told us the expected altitude. Nobody does that anymore. And look, we're hoping to get 4,200 feet out of this. It is a Wildman kit. It weighs 8 pounds. This is a Cert 2 flight. He's going to fly at an Airtech J270 motor, and he's got onboard GPS. Let's put Josh's rocket up. Best of luck, my friend. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Woo! On an H220 motor. Let's put his rocket up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, duck. So you guys want? Arcing over.
Uh-oh.
Well, we think we saw a deployment event, but coming in hot, points.
Oh no! What are you doing out here?
Filming.
Hey, I was installing a new fence post. Thought this looked like a great place for it. At least it's all together.
Yeah, it was nice for you that it rained, so this was all solid.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess in a way, maybe.
It did take a little damage, huh?
Yeah, the airframe's a little goofed, but
At least your tracker still works.
yes. What's stronger, the fiberglass of the shovel handle or my airframe?
Is the shock cord still attached?
Yeah.
That might wiggle out now.
Well, so okay, I'll give it a shot.
Well, grab the base of the nose cone. Try and wiggle that. You got this, man. It's like the sword and the stone.
Kinda.
Oh, S.
And P.
To check that our 70s bank is cooperating. So we do still have Laterno on pad 71. Team is still lunar. Rocket is still Luna. Still boosting with the K700 and sustaining with the K590. Hoping to go to 23,000 feet. So here we go off pad 71 in hopefully 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's not the best. Woo! Oh, and at Wentworth Institute, they have swapped an igniter. This rocket weighs 25 pounds and is 12 feet long. It is named Dash. we are boosting with an L1000 and sustaining with a K250. Projected altitude is 26,000 feet. We've got pluses, RRC2 plus and RRC3 plus on board. So here we go with Wentworth off pad 75 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Wispy clouds. To rocket name Event Horizon. 10 golf balls on board, weighing 18 pounds. We are boosting with an L1000 and sustaining with a K250. Projected altitude is 23,592. Sustainer main should come out at 1,000 feet. Lots of electronics on board, including some Blue Ravens and a trackie. Here we go, pad 77, Purdue, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have a sustainer. Awesome. Rocket named Kratos and Atreus. My Greek history is bad. 10 golf balls on board. Rocket weighs a little under 15 pounds. We are 108 inches long. Motors in the booster is a K1275, and in the sustainer we have an I-59. Projected altitude 12,200 feet. Main coming out at 1,000. We've got a Telemega, Telemetro, and 2 DC Minis on board. So here goes, Southern Illinois University off pad 78 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that, we have a sustainer. Once again, being able to say that you did 2 stages is awesome, okay? I cannot underscore that enough. I am so impressed with every college team. 2, 1. Red motor, altimeter deployment with main at 500 feet, and another Jolly Logic. This is an L1 cert attempt. Okay. Is there anyone? I can do it. They've got perfect. All right, here we go. Pad 31 with Aaron in 31, not 11. 31 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Our recoverers down there, just look up. I don't know how far past you it might be going. They're looking at it. All right. Pad 32, we've got items from Ohio. Flying a rocket named JMS-1. This is a scratch-built kit, weighing 3.5 pounds. We got another H-182. We got another altimeter coming out at 500 feet. We've got another Jolly Logic, and we've got another Cert Flight Level 1 attempt. Off pad 32, going with Connor in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Oh.
Redline early ejections.
Well, you gotta shoot, and everything's attached. And an early separation. Yeah. Look good, but that's probably reliable.
Oh.
Alright,
hello
that
there.
officially concludes all launches of
Oh,
our
damn it.
Argonia Cup KloudBurst weekend. Congratulations.
Matthew Myers here at Airfest 2025. Not a lot. Oh, it's not even Airfest. I don't know. KloudBurst. We're at KloudBurst 2025. And that was it. We had a good time. Braden launched a rocket, lost
Put some rockets in the air,
put
some rockets in the ground.
Yeah.
You know.
Can't win them all, but yeah, it was a good time.